as President Donald Trump begins his second term, analysts anticipating his policies to have a significant impact on the US dollar. Currency speculators have been showing strong support for the dollar in the run-up to Donald Trump's inauguration. However, President Trump refrained from announcing specific tariff measures at his address, and that led to a 1.3% decline in the US dollar. However, he has now announced that he's thinking of 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada from February the 1st, and universal tariffs with everyone who does business with the US. So that would be dollar positive. So the outlook for the dollar does largely come down to the new administration's fiscal and trade policies. If Trump does go ahead with tariffs, then further US dollar gains are reasonable. Now, seasonally, there's a period of strength here for the dollar from February the 1st to the 15th of March. 90% winning trade percentage, an average return of 1.5%, the Sortino ratio of 2.78, Sharpe ratio 1.40. Look at that cumulative profit, steady to the upside. And there's only 1 year of losses in 2016. So it is a pretty robust trend that favors a seasonal opportunity for the dollar index during this time. Technically, we can see the dollar broke down through that upward trend line on the daily chart with Trump not announcing any new tariff measures, and then it's testing, going back into that trend line, trying to move higher up into that gap on those 25% tariffs, potentially on February the 1st for Canada and Mexico, as well as potential universal tariffs on everyone who does business with the US. So, that wouldn't be a bad place to define and limit risk underneath that 108 region, because if that's going to hold after Trump's speech, that should be the level, maybe 107.50, and then looking for a potential upside does make sense. Trade risks, all outlooks have risks. This is no exception, and the outlook for the Dixie is so closely tied to Trump's administration and their breaking fiscal and trade policies. So do watch for sudden and unexpected volatility on announcements that just suddenly break, and that volatility could be quite pronounced. So there's significant risk with this outlook. Finally, don't just trade it. Season Exit. Sign up here at Season X, where you can literally get thousands more seasonal insights like this just waiting to be revealed.